6 amazing laptop stands that are at another level. Number 1. Mantas. Mantas, the world's smallest foldable laptop stand that help you get rid of those heavy, bulky, and flimsy stands. Mantas is a smart laptop and tablet stand that delivers effortless portability and comfort with a state-of-the-art foldable design, ventilation, stability, and durability. Number 2. X-Kit. The X-Kit is the combination of a powerful 5-in-1 USB hub that connects to all the devices you need to boost productivity and an ultra-lightweight ergonomic laptop tablet stand with 4 adjustable angles designed for maximum mobility. Number 3. MothZ. MothZ is a truly lightweight and versatile sit-stand desk at an affordable price. It's designed to offer the heavy laptop user maximum comfort with maximum freedom on location. Number 4. Synex. Synex is the world's first 3-in-1 multifunctional laptop stand case, combines all the advantages of the laptop case, stand, and wrist rest. It is lightweight, portable, convenient, and can be used as a laptop stand and wrist rest at the same time. Number 5. MetaStand. MetaStand is the adjustable laptop stand that provides more flexibility in setting up your workspace to better suit your needs and healthy viewing. By using a properly adjustable MetaStand, it will help prevent pain and improve your posture. Number 6. Moft. Moft is the lightest adhesive laptop stand around, tailored perfectly for mobile working. It allows every road warrior to work absolutely anywhere with ease and comfort. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, please hit the subscribe button. Goodbye for now.